In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change your MySQL server port. So here I am connected using the 3340, which is the non-standard port. Now the first thing that you want to do is locate your my.ini file. So let's go to my computer. So you want to go to your C drive or wherever you install it. Then you're going to go to program data. Now if you're not seeing this folder, you're going to select view, select show, and then show in items. You can also show file name extension, and then you should be seeing this folder here. Then you're going to look for MySQL, then open the MySQL Server 8, and then this is the file that you want to edit. So you want to do a Control F, find the port that you want to replace, and then specify the new port. So I'm going to say 4440. So let me find next, replace that one, and then replace this one as well, and then there are no more occurrence. So all I need to do from here is select save, and then I'm going to go ahead and restart my services. So it's this service here that you want to restart. Now let's go back to Workbench, and if I refresh, I got in the error that no connection was established, and this is because I changed my port. Now let's go and edit the connection. So let me close this one as well. This is the connection that I need to edit. Right click, edit connections, and I need to change it to 34440. Then test the connection, enter your password, select OK. My connection was successful. Now let's select close and then double click on it to open a connection. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.